This is the Hamilton Khaki Pilot Pioneer 38mm automatic, a modern take on the classic pilot's watch, built with timeless style and everyday versatility. There are two stainless steel models, each with a 38mm case and a slim 11.4mm profile. Both feature off-white grained dials, bold black Arabic numerals, and a vintage-inspired railroad minute track. Every 5 minutes, you'll find beige superluminova accents, with cathedral-style hands also filled with lume for perfect legibility day or night. Protecting it all is a sapphire crystal with dual anti-reflective coating. The bi-directional rotating bezel comes in either burgundy or moss green, paired with matching leather straps for a cohesive look. An oversized onion crown adds a bold, functional touch, while water resistance is rated at 100 meters. Inside, Hamilton equips these models with the caliber H10, also known as the Powermatic 80. It delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour, and features an anti-magnetic Nivachron hairspring. Through the exhibition caseback, you can admire the custom Hamilton rotor. The Khaki Pilot Pioneer 38mm balances vintage charm with modern specs. Whether you go for the rich burgundy or the understated green, both are versatile, reliable, and built to last. And at 950 Swiss francs or 1,075 euros, Hamilton offers remarkable value for a stylish pilot's watch with an 80-hour power reserve. The Khaki Pilot Pioneer 38mm, where heritage meets everyday wearability. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth luxury watch reviews right here on the channel.